Hello, we are here today in Las Vegas, Nevada at the Queen of Hearts. On today's episode of the Good Fork Bites, I am going to show you all this amazing tea shop. Now, this shop's got quite a story. It opened like days before the pandemic, and then of course when we went into shelter in place, they closed. Now they're open again, and what I'm especially excited about with this tea shop is it's vegan options. So they do a vegan high tea. So Chef Angela Sweetser is the woman behind this. This is a woman-owned business. Literally, she did all of this, which is amazing. And also, it's pretty important to know, she's a badass chef. She's been the pastry chef for Ritz-Carlton, Cosmopolitan, and she's been on a few Food Network shows. So I'm really excited to try her food. And she's gonna teach me how to cook. And if you've ever watched me in the kitchen, it's not, but it's gonna be today. We're gonna learn how to make vegan cream puffs. So come on, let's go get our hands dirty with some cream puffs and let's eat some vegan high tea. I'm in the kitchen here with Chef Angela Sweetser. Hey, for having me. Today, we're gonna talk about cream puffs. Chef is actually giving us a recipe for vegan cream puffs. They're gonna be on veganbaby.com after you watch this episode. But let's talk about it. How are you making these magical cream puffs vegan?
Well, there are a couple of substitute ingredients that we can use. One of them that I've been using is called Just Egg, and the other one is Earth Scallions. To turn these into the white rabbits, we'll also be using a vegan white chocolate.
Let's talk about this cream filling. So these are just the cream puffs as is. Now, what you do here at Queen of Hearts is you deck these out. So
yeah, we do. They're completely hollow, and we'll cut one open for you so you can see.
Okay, cool.
And that's where we're going to be putting the cream.
Okay.
So I'll do one, and then you can do the other two.
Yep.
Here we have a lemon curd.
What goes in the lemon curd?
The lemon curd starts off as lemon juice, and then we have sugar added to it.
Yep.
Once you have this sugar and the lemon boiling, that's when you are going to be doing a temper with your Just Egg product.
Okay.
And a little bit of cornstarch.
Okay.
These items will start to gelatinize, and I'm going to fill this until I can feel the weight of it get full.
So you just poke a hole in it and that's it?
I just stab it right in the whole thing.
All right.
So I'm going to set this guy right here, and then you can
I
take
feel
this.
like this is something I can't mess up. I'm not the best in the kitchen, I'm not going to lie.
You'll be
so
okay.
just
Stab it.
Sure. So what Chef does with these, you get the cream puffs here at Queen of Hearts, but then you get them extra cute, which I think is a super adorable touch to this. You make them into cream puff bunnies.
We do. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of a helpful cut mark here in the back.
Okay.
And that's just going to help us insert our ears without breaking them. So the little bunny ears, they go right inside.
Okay.
A little bit of a crisscross.
Okay.
This is the same vegan chocolate, but it's been tinted pink.
Okay.
So we're going to add a little pink nose.
Okay.
In the shape of a heart.
So first I want to try, obviously, is this cone. Oh, and it's still nice and warm. We're going to get that open right there. And then I'm going to do maybe a little bit of jam. All right, let's try it. Oh my God. Little bunny I made. All right, ready? And it's a nice lemon curd in that. Really tangy and sweet. There's a lot, as you can see, to enjoy with this vegan high tea. I personally think I'm gonna start with the savory and work my way up. You can do it however you like. The high tea is $35 per person. It's $29 if you wanted to go. Go to queenofheartsvegas.com to get all the details, and maybe I will see you here having a vegan high tea.